Welcome to LAVCA 5th grade ELA Read Alouds. Open your study island lesson and be ready to listen and follow along. Today's lesson is Main Idea. Once you finish, you'll be ready to open your pathway and complete some practice questions. Main Idea. The main idea of a story or passage is what the passage is mostly about. It is the basic idea that the author wants the reader to understand. Sentences that help to support or explain the main idea are called supporting details. You can pause this recording and go into your lesson and click here to play the movie. When you are looking for the main idea of a passage, ask yourself, why did the author write this passage? And what is the passage mostly about? When you think you know what the main idea is, ask yourself, do all of the sentences in the passage support this idea? If the answer is yes, you have found the main idea. Remember, the main idea is more detailed or specific than a topic. For example, you might read a passage about the television, watching habits of children. That is the topic. The main idea would be more specific, like, children today are watching twice as much television on average than children were watching 5 years ago. The sentences in the passage would support this main idea by explaining this point. One supporting detail might be the number of hours of television children watched 5 years ago. As I read, try to find the main idea of the passage below. Follow along in your study island book. In your study island lesson. Think about any fireworks displays you've ever seen. Pretty cool, right? Well, those shows are nothing compared to nature's light show. The northern lights, also called aurora borealis, can be seen almost any day of the year somewhere in the world. Auroras are a combination of wind from the sun and the Earth's magnet-like atmosphere. When they come together, the result is a beautiful light show. Auroras can only be seen by human eyes at night. Places near the North Pole are the best to view the aurora borealis. Eastern Canada and Alaska are good areas near the pole. What is the main idea of this passage? This passage is about northern lights or aurora borealis. It explains how they happen and where they can be seen. Aurora borealis is a beautiful natural light show. That is the main idea of this passage. The other sentences in the passage support this idea.